A day after special investigation team officials knocked the door of the former Prime Minister H.D. Devegowda's residence in Bengaluru and arrested JDS MLA H.D. Revanna of Holenarsipura, and there the investigation process has just intensified right after that, because he was taken then to an SIT officials where he was questioned for a couple of hours, and in fact the investigation process went on till the midnight is what we are given to understand. But meanwhile, if that was the scene in the Bengaluru, then meanwhile in Hassan, where there is a residence of the former Prime Minister H.D. Devegowda, that's where the SIT officials reached and have seized that whole residence as well. Now this because the victim has alleged that the whole of that sexual assault in fact against her took place at that residence is what she has told in front of the court and as well as to the police as well during her statement recordings, and accordingly that the SIT has swung into an action has seized that residence for investigation procedure. Now meanwhile, what we are also understanding is that this is the residence that was provided to the former Prime Minister H.D. Devegowda in 2019, but it's also been said that Prajwal Revanna used to stay there in a week at least 4 days, but however in that investigation process itself that it will be more clarified and cleared as well that what exactly had happened there, because remember there were continuously margers as well that was actually conducted at the premises of this residence. But however needs to be seen what will that the SIT find when it comes to the proof and those details as well, that will remain very crucial. On the other hand, now whole that question still remains is that H.D. Revanna has been arrested by the SIT, but when will that the Prajwal Revanna will appear for the questioning in front of the SIT, or that even as there are continuous attempts from the state government as well to bring him back, and they have also gone to take that help from the central government, but when will exactly Prajwal Revanna appear for the questioning, that remains a big question. With video journalist Satish Ritu for CNN News 18.